Thank God, the fire department always arrives on time and doesn't let me die. Thank you.
This is our duty. If you pay attention to many points, you can prevent this fire yourself. First, never play with matches, lighters, or electrical appliances. Second, keep heating devices such as heaters and candles away from flammable items. Third, check the electrical wires and do not use worn or damaged wires. Fourth, the kitchen is always a dangerous place. Be careful when cooking. Now, I have mentioned 4 points. If you follow them, many fires can be prevented.
That's absolutely true. The tips you mentioned really need to be followed. I have a question. You mentioned the tips for preventing fires, but what should we do when a fire occurs?
I'll explain it to you now. First, stay calm. Panic can lead to dangerous mistakes. Second, find the fastest way out. Always know the emergency exits. Third, if you get caught in smoke, stay down. Smoke is lighter than air and will collect at the top of the room. Crawling on the floor can save your life. Fourth, don't use the elevator. In case of a fire, only use the stairs. Finally, check the doors before opening them. If the door is hot, don't open it. There may be a fire behind it.
Thank you for all your explanations. Goodbye.